Hi, my name is Melissa Perkins, and this is my introduction to AEP 800. I'm a lifelong learner. I have 2 bachelor's degrees in chemistry and biology. I worked for about 3.5 years after undergrad, and at that time did an MBA with other professional individuals. Then I went back to school for full-time in a PhD program to study pharmaceutical chemistry. So that's the development of new pharmaceutical products. I did that at KU in Lawrence and Kansas. And so in total have worked about 25 years in the pharmaceutical development area for small molecules and large molecules. I do have a passion for that industry, and been listed as one that I've shown on screen is one program that I worked on for about 13 years, or certainly 11 or 12, and took that into the first animal studies and then on to worldwide launch. And then developed a drug product that you could inject subcutaneously, so it would be more amenable to the patient population, which was primarily women. About me, I do have a family focus, so I took a work hiatus a little over a year ago to focus on my kids and aging parents, certainly my mom and then my husband's father. I've known my husband since about 1991. We worked together in undergraduate, and we're both native Kansans, love to travel, love to be outdoors, doing a variety of things, scuba diving. And then my STEM project that I did with my kids since this global pandemic is we started keeping bees on our property. And so that's been fun. So I do have decades of experience mentoring chemists and engineers, but have not been a teacher for the last over a year. Last year and this year, I've either been volunteering or substitute teaching at the elementary school, also some at the middle and high school. And I'm certainly acquainted with the education field through my years of education. And also my sister's been an art teacher for about 30 years. My goals are to finish the MSc program and in parallel look at the STEM programs and gifted programs and math teaching programs, which are kind of in my heart. And I really did want to be more involved with the local school system and have some work-life balance. Technology, I believe the strengths are that you get to have individual development plans for everyone, or you can have those, especially in this kind of remote learning atmosphere. You can independently progress. Individuals can progress through different modules at their own pace. The connections are limitless that you can have through technology, and certainly you can build unique skills for individuals, elementary all the way through high school, that maybe certainly I'm in the rural community, that you wouldn't have connections to otherwise. Some weaknesses that I feel that not all students, and we certainly saw that recently with the global pandemic, that not all kids, if they're in a home environment, have technology. It can be very impersonal to some students if you don't have a teacher, and it's certainly not for all kids. What I want to get out of this class is kind of get to know the options for teaching children through technology and kind of research-based results for kind of the best technology to use in a classroom, at least for what's available to date. And so I think that's it for me. And thank you very much. I look very much forward to getting to know other students and the professor of this class. And thank you for listening. Bye.